Alright, this will be a retake of the elevator at Dillard's at Ingram Park Mall in San Antonio. Look at who I'm with.
Damn, I'm on the top floor.
Let's do our cab first. Very beautiful. This is an original Dillard's elevator. It was never anything else before. And I like...
Built as Dillard's?
Yes. Built as Dillard's. Let's go to 1. Let's go to 2. The Dillard's at Valley View Mall in Dallas used to look like this, but it's torn down now. Let's get off at 1. Original Montgomery logo there. Let's switch sides. I love these buttons.
Pretty good shape too.
Alright, you want to get off first?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that. I know, Dakota, you're going to love this elevator. There it goes. And that's it.